introducing about post, and in the previous post we learn about how we can use this all that basic features from WordPress. So we today we are talking about what is post and how we can publish a post, how we can create a post, and as well as how we can create a tag as well. Okay, so let's start this session. So first of all, we are talking about the category and tags, why we need this category and why we need tags in WordPress. So just click on that category first, and after that we can create a category and some tag as well. And then we create a post where we describe how we can use that tag and category. Okay, so let me create one category which is called as WordPress. Okay, in the name section you can just keep it WordPress. On in Slug automatically track it and automatically save it. Okay, so in the parent category, if you have like if I have, let me create that thing that was help for you. Let me write it code. Okay, code is a parent category. Okay, let me add the category first. Okay, you can see code is added. So now what we are doing, we have to create one PHP, and in PHP is a code, okay, coding language. So what we have to do, we have to select here in parent category code, and if you want to add description, you can add it, and the slug is automatically added. You can see I not added slug in code, but here you can see code is automatically, this is a slug of code. Okay, so let me create that, and when you create it, you can see it is coming on. It is a sub child of, it's a child of code. Okay, so what we are creating now, so now our topic is WordPress, so we have to create a WordPress topic, and here this is not a coding part. Okay, so we are not selecting any parent category, just create it. Here you can see this is not a child or parent, so they are not showing like this. Okay, so what we have to select it, we create a WordPress category. If we have any post which is related to WordPress, so we can just select WordPress, and this category will be added in WordPress, and all that post which is having selected in WordPress, so the count will be automatically added here. This is given by WordPress. That was very helpful for us. Okay, so now we have to move to tags. What is tag is helpful for SEO purpose, where we can see like when Google will start crawling, our tags will help to indexing. Okay, so let me add 2 or 3 tags here. So first is WordPress. Okay, and the second will be added WordPress theme. Okay, WordPress theme, sorry, themes. Okay, the next one, what we have to add, CMS. Okay, CMS is also, so yeah, we added 3 tags. We can use this on our tag post. Okay, so all post having all that post whatever you write here. Now what I have to do, I have to create a post. Okay, so let me click on add new. In this page, you can, when you first time you open, like this is look like this. If you want to show something at, like this is right now full screen, if we don't want to don't keep that full screen, so we have to click on 3 dots here, options, and options having this functionality you just uncheck. Okay, you can see this full screen is removed, and there was also the short key which is called Alt Shift Alt and F. Okay, so what we have to do, we have to create a title, and after that we have to put the description about that post, and you can also design this post into the WordPress 6.61. Okay, so let me write what is WordPress. Okay, this is the title of that post, and let me do one WordPress related some text, so we will add it. Okay, so let me search WordPress. Okay, so here we got some text, definitely. mm, I think there's some text properly. No, we don't need. Okay, yeah, in Wikipedia we get that. Okay, so we open that Wikipedia and we have just copied this some text from here, and we can just add it here. Okay, you can see when we add it, all that text will be automatically added. Sorry, I just pasted that all that thing, and you can also design this part, like if you want this like this, if you want this text in bold or italic, or if you want to give some link as well, you can do. If you want to add alignment as well, you can do. If you want to add some images here in that section, you can just click here. They give you a lots of options where you can do all that thing, like this, all options like paragraph, heading, list, quotes, classic mode, and images related what you want. If you want button, column, group, all that options WordPress gives you. Okay, so this is a part in WordPress. Okay, and after that what we have to do, we are create previously some categories. Okay, so we have come here on the left hand side. Sorry, on the right hand side we can see this category name as category. We can just click if the post is related to WordPress. Okay, so we have to just click either WordPress. If you want to create a category, you can just click here. If you want to create some category which is named as CMS, okay, and just click on add category. You can see the category is automatically created here. Okay, this is how simple WordPress is. Okay, here what tag we are already created three tag there. Okay, you can see, just I click CMS, automatically they gives you the tag as well. If you, so like I just WORD and they give me WordPress theme and WordPress which I created previously. Okay, so just I click and you can see automatically this is added. In features we have to add some images. Right now I'm not adding anything, and this options like if you want to add people to add some comments on your post, so you can just click here, check it, and you can the user can able to do that comment. Okay, so right now you can also select here to what is the format of your post, and as well as an author you can change. If you are an administrator, then you can able to change the author name as well. So right now there is some features more which is called visibility, publish, and the URL. Okay, right now the URL is look like very different. P is equal to 16 will be the ID of that post. Okay, so right now we are not publish this thing, because of that it is showing like this. But when we publish it, that post will be given in different. Okay, in publish you can see we can also schedule that post, like this time you have to post it. If you don't want this, you can just leave it like this, because by default it is showing immediate. Okay, if you want this page is as a public can able to see this page, you can select public. If you this page will be private, you can select that private. And password protected, this page will be password protected. When we select this, you can just keep it some password here, READ. Okay, this is my password. Let me do this thing for you. I just publish this post. So you got we got one URL from here. Yeah, you can see this is my title of that post, and this permalink is also managed from WordPress. In the next tutorial I will give you how we can manage the permalink. Okay, so you can see this page is password protected. If I go in incognito mode, okay, so we can see in the private video, private tab, we can see this is a password protected page. I can't able to read this post. Okay, if we want to read this thing, we have to add the password and click enter, and after that you can see able to see that post text. Okay, that post is able, you can able to now see that post, and the comment options will be coming here. So this is the functionality what WordPress giving you, and there's lots of option. If you want to use any SEO plugins and all that thing, I will discuss on that SEO part as well. For now, this is a video for only how we can manage this post thing. Okay, I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please subscribe, please follow, please like this video, subscribe our channel, and also press the bell icon if there is any video related to WordPress, then you got the notification shortly. Okay, thank you for watching.